God.
We are going to be using high heels tips, a hammer, pliers, a brush, paint brushes, red acrylic paint, and usata. We will use these to repair the worn out heels tips and restore the bottom of the heels to its original bright color. We're going to start with the heels tips. We first carefully take out the old one then hammer in the new tip. Make sure it fits perfectly. Up next, we have the bottom of the shoe. But before we apply the paint, we need to remove the leftover paint and make sure we have a clear canvas to work on. Now, we carefully apply the new paint, making sure it is equally and evenly distributed over the bottom of the shoe. We add a second coat and then make sure none of the paint got to the other side of the shoe. There you have it. Now you can step passionately and take on the world with fresh and clean red bottoms.